Welcome back to Super Annoying Email 64, and today we're going to be doing another amiibo update, which is we have the Splatoon second free amiibo pack, which comes with the green Inkling Girl, the orange Squid, and the purple green girl Inkling, orange Squid, and purple Inkling Boy. Alright, so let's open this pack up. I usually try to use my knees so I can like hold it. Probably my next Splatoon amiibo might be Callie and Marie from the Squid Sisters. We got the Inkling. Hold up. Let's take a look at these amiibos. So first here, we have the Inkling Girl. Not too bad. Nice tank on the back. And we got the... I don't know what weapon it is. I'm going to check. And here we got the Inkling Squid. Looks nice. Have the orange texture. And then we have the Inkling Boy. What are those? Alright. Now let's see if these work on Splatoon, shall we? Alright, so we are here in Splatoon right now. I just need to get my Wii U gamepad. Oops. Alright. We are gonna go to the amiibos. Hold up. It's hard. Ooh, a plane. Hello, plane. Okay, let's get going. Let's see if this works. So I have my gamepad ready. And now let me get my 3 Splatoon amiibos here. And let's see if they work. Oh, register. Inkling G. I'm just gonna name her that. Inkling G. Yay! Amiibo confirmed. Oh, it does scan as a green Inkling girl. Alright. Dude, let me tell you, you're so glad you called me. You're welcome. Alright then. I'm picking up a fresh vibe from you. And tell me where you're finna charge your weapons. Cause that's my kind of thing. Making up those challenges where you got to use chargers. Are you game? Yes, I'm game. Come and think of it, you've been poking around down in Octa Valley, yeah? I was like, yeah? Yep, I saw you in that outfit fighting those things. It looked super fun. But you know what? It would be even rather if you used a charger weapon. That's my challenge to you. Clear a mission with a charger and I'll hook you up. Oh! Wanna try these challenges? Oh, so what these are basically like missions. I actually know this, knew about these before. And I think these are like bosses. Alright. So that's what the amiibos do, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace!